Nishant Basa here with a new video. In this video we are going to discuss 25 different facts of photography which you might not be knowing. So let's get started with this. Fact number 1. Why people were not smiling in that old photographs. The main reason behind that is the cameras at that point of time was not too advanced. The camera would take around 2 to 3 hours to click a single photo. So it's not viable to all person that they should smile for 2 to 3 hours continuously. That's the reason why people were not smiling in the old photographs. Let's go to fact number 2. Fact number 2. The inventor of photography was not known for photography. Yeah, the inventor of photograph is not known for photography. He is mostly known for the invention of motorboats and propellers. Let's go to fact number 3. So the fact number 3. The first negative was created by William Henry Fox Talbot. It was created with a mixture of gallic acid and silver nitrate. Let's move to fact number 4. The fact number 4. The left side of our face looks more good in photograph. Apparently the left side photos have been a study conducted by Kelsey Blackburn and Jill Scario from Wake Forest University confirmed this, that the study shows that the left side of our face exhibits greater intensity of emotion. For next time when you click photos, try to click your photos from the left side of your face. It will create more good impressions. Let's move to fact number 5. So do you know how many photos we click in every 2 minutes? The photos clicked by humanity in 1800 were equal to the 2 minutes photo we click nowadays. Let's move to fact number 6. Fact number 6. The most viewed photo in the history is this one. You all have guessed it right. The picture which we see in every desktop is that one. Microsoft has buy that photo from Charles Sorare in 1996. So let's move to fact number 7. So do you know how to develop the old photos? You can develop your negatives with coffee. Yeah, you heard it right. Coffee. The mixture of coffee, vitamin C and washing soda is used to develop photos. Let's move to fact number 8. Fact number 8. The most popular subject in 1800s to click photos weren't alive. Yeah, you heard it right. The people who were used to click photos of dead bodies. That would be a token of memory for the person who has passed away. So they used to take that photo and keep it with them to ensure that the memories of that person would live forever. Let's move to fact number 9. So the fact number 9. The first photography paper was made out of asphalt. Yeah, the first photography paper was made out of asphalt. The asphalt is commonly known as bitumen. It was black liquid that was light sensitive. So let's move to fact number 10. Fact number 10. The cameras that capture surface of moon are still on the moon only. The astronaut keep that camera on the moon surface because of heavy weight, because they have to bring a sample rock from the moon. So they left that camera on moon only. So the cameras which were used at that time are still on the moon. Let's move to fact number 11. Fact number 11. The oldest surviving picture is 200 years old. It took 8 hours to capture that photo. Let's move to fact number 12. Fact number 12. The first aerial photograph does not exist because the person named Gaspard, he captured his first image in 1858, but sadly the image no longer exists. Let's move to fact number 13. Fact number 13. Polaroid introduced first SLR autofocus camera in 1979. It took almost 120 years to get this feature. Let's move to fact number 14. Fact number 14. Cat photos are much older than you think. This viral trend was born in 1870, where Harry Potter took a photo of his cat and started it all. Let's move to fact number 15. Fact number 15. Most of brands have some unique meaning behind their name. The brand name Kodak hasn't meaning at all. George Eastman, the founder of Kodak, found that the K word is more stronger and will have some great impact. So he take the word K and made a word Kodak, and he used that word for his company. Let's move to fact number 16. The daguerreotype of camera was the first camera capable of recording images. The camera was made by Suzy Brothers in 1939, and that camera was sold in 2007 for almost $8 lakh. Let's move to fact number 17. Fact number 17. The world's most expensive photo was sold for $4.3 million. The photo was clicked by Andrea Grusky in 1999. 12 years later, that photo was sold for $4.3 million. Let's move to fact number 18. Fact number 18. Potassium chloride and aluminum were used to make the first flash. Let's move to fact number 19. Fact number 19. The first projected image was through camera obscura. This is the idea behind the pinhole camera. Let's move to fact number 20. Fact number 20. The first color photograph was taken in 1861. Let's move to fact number 21. Fact number 21. Do you even know how many photographs are taken every day? So let's get some stats about this. Over 1 trillion photos are taken in a year. On an average, 95 million photos are uploaded daily on Instagram, and over 300 million photos are uploaded on Facebook every day. So this is a huge number. Let's move to fact number 22. Fact number 22. The first digital camera was 4 times more weighted than current DSLR camera. The first camera was weighted 8 pounds, and the modern DSLR camera which are weighted less than 2 pounds. So let's move to fact number 23. Fact number 23. The first digital camera was invented in 1975. Steven Sesson invented this camera. He was working with Kodak. So let's move to fact number 24. Fact number 24. The first photograph of a person was taken accidentally. Louis took his photograph of a temple in Paris. So the man standing on the street getting his shoe polished was being captured, because it took 7 minutes to capture a photo. Let's move to last but not the least fact. So the last but not the least, the largest camera collection consists of 4,425 cameras. Dilesh Parekh, a photojournalist in Mumbai, 4,425 cameras in his collection, and he is from India. I hope that it was a beautiful journey. I hope you like the facts and the video. So if you like it, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos. So I need your support. So comment which facts you are already knowing. So with this we will end this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Till that, stay home, stay safe.